How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat for men, a step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get rid of belly fat, what we want to do, the main thing that people focus on all the time is calories in versus calories out. That is important. The one thing that we really want to focus on is metabolism, you guys. There are some people out there that just have a low metabolism. There's other people out there that have a super high metabolism. If you have a super high metabolism, you can basically eat whatever you want and your body will burn those calories extremely quickly. Here's what happens. The people normally with the high metabolism, they don't have the healthiest diet. As you get older, your metabolism drops. And what you'll see a lot of times is the people that were really skinny, their metabolism drops, then they start to get a little bit fat because you can no longer eat all those foods and still maintain a healthy weight. What you can do is you can raise metabolism naturally, you guys. Some easy way to raise your metabolism. Number one, and by far the most important thing that you need to do, is to lift weights. Lifting weights burns a ton of calories. It naturally raises your metabolism. For example, I took a brief period of time where I stopped lifting weights. I didn't stop exactly, I just did it once a week. And I did this for about 2 months. In those 2 months, my calories, I was only eating about 3,000 calories a day, maintaining my weight. Once I went back to lifting 5 times a week, my calories, I naturally started eating again 4,500 calories. So my metabolism naturally raised just by doing that. So the first tip to get rid of belly fat, I would try your best to work your way up to lifting weights 5 times a week or 6 times a week if you want to. A great workout would be push, pull legs, push, pull legs. I did that routine for probably 6 years, you guys, and I loved it. It was a great routine, 6 times a week, and I was consuming about 5,000 calories a day on that routine. The second tip is to start adding cardio. Cardio burns more calories than lifting weights. The only difference though is that lifting weights, you burn calories after you've done lifting weights for a longer period of time as opposed to cardio. Cardio, you burn more calories now. You also burn a little bit of calories later on, but with lifting weights, you burn it for longer after you have worked out. So I would combine both, lifting weights and cardio. If you combine both of these, cardio, you don't have to do 6 times a week if you don't want to. You can do it maybe 3 or 4 times. Lifting weights, I would try to do 5 to 6 times. You start doing these things, your metabolism is going to just raise so fastly. And here's the thing. You're probably still going to consume the same amount of calories. So if you're consuming 3,000 calories right now, you're having a hard time losing weight, you're having a hard time even maintaining your weight, maybe you're gaining a little bit of weight. If you start lifting weights, you do the cardio, your metabolism, you may need 4,000 calories to maintain your weight. And if you're only eating 3,000, you're going to lose weight extremely quickly, you guys. So that's what I recommend, lifting weights and cardio. And if you can, the third thing, if you can, is to try to replace not your whole diet, but replace some unhealthy meals with healthier meals. Great meals that I love for losing weight is eggs. I eat 4 eggs, I have an omelet, amazing. Avocados for your breakfast. Avocados are amazing, you guys. Stir fries are good. Chicken, rice, stuff like that, vegetables, those are really good for losing weight. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.